If you have a sofa in your living room with an exposed back, a console table is a great option to finish off the look. It finishes off the back of your sofa, but also creates some division between the open spaces. When I'm selecting a table, I want to think in terms of at or slightly below the height of the back of the sofa. If your sofa is up against a wall and you have the space to pull it forward and add a table behind it, I think it's a great way to give a more collected look because you can add some layers and height and interest behind it. So when I'm styling a console table, I usually think in terms of 2 to 3 groupings. So we did 3 here, and you'll notice that everything here allows for visibility from the living room itself to the space behind it. The tapers have some height, but they're really slim, so they're not blocking a lot. We have 3 different levels, which is really important in any styling moment you create. And then we have mixed up the shapes. We have these cool like glass sculptural objects. We have the book stand and the twisted iron on the tapers. And then the finishing touch to the look is usually one item on the floor. I will add an ottoman or 2 or stacked baskets or just one basket either underneath or to the side. Adding a basket or an ottoman just adds one last texture to the look.